You can now add custom views and tours to your assignments in Visible Body Courseware with the Assignment Builder. Follow along with this tutorial and we'll show you how to create a tour in Visible Body Suite, then add it to a courseware assignment. The first step is to open Visible Body Suite from the My Apps page in Courseware and save a couple of custom views to your account. Open a model, add any tags or annotations, and then save the view to My Library. Next, use your saved views in My Library to create a tour in Visible Body Suite. We'll make a tour about the 5 senses, so we can use the 3D models of the eye, ear, tongue, skin, and cranial nerves. Name the tour, edit additional details like the order of the views and the keywords, and you're good to go. Now that your tour is ready, go to your course in Courseware. Use the Create New Assignment button in the upper right corner of the Main Assignments page to go to the Assignment Builder. There are a couple of ways you can find your custom content in the Assignment Builder. Scroll down to the bottom to see all your custom content, search for the name of your tour, or select Custom Content in the Type drop-down filter. Once you've found your tour in the Assignment Builder, add it to your assignment. On the right side of the screen, you can edit instructions for your students and change the activity and assignment names. You can also add other activities from the Assignment Builder, or add your own links if you'd like. Drag and drop to change the order of activities. When you're ready with all your activities, you can set your publish date and assignment settings, then publish your assignment. For more courseware assignment building tutorials, check out the other videos in the All About Courseware playlist. The link is in the description of this video. If you don't already have a Courseware account, head to visiblebody.com/courseware to get a free instructor trial.